Today I'm gonna show you best FPS settings in Realm Royale Reforged. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, all you need to do, just launch game like me. When you're in game, just press escape button and go here to options. In this first section video, you will see here resolution. Just choose resolution from your monitor, like me. Choose here maximum. In aspect ratio, leave on 69. Screen tape, from full screen, move to borderless window. Resolution scale, leave this on 100. On anti-aliasing from 8, switch this off. VSync, turn this on. Move here down. On world detail, from maximum, move to low. On shadow detail, from maximum, move to low. Texture detail, leave maximum. Particle detail, from very high, move to low. Shader quality, from high, move to low. And go here, apply. And that's it all guys for this video, how to get best FPS settings in Realm Royale Reforged. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video.
Downsides to increase accuracy. Please eliminate another target.